We want to quickly tell you about how Ace Handyman Services might be the answer you're looking for. Finding someone to do work on your house can be frustrating. Ace Handyman Services was founded with one simple vision: to bring ethics and integrity to home improvement. It drives us in everything we do. Our multi-skilled craftsmen will listen to you and solve your project just as you expect. We're easy to schedule to get your work done. Give us a try. We might just be the home ally you've been looking for. You'll find our craftsmen to be humble, kind, skilled, and qualified to complete 1,162 different home improvement projects. We listen to you and seek to understand exactly what you want. Hey, we get that you're busy. We schedule an exact time on a day that works for you. Our craftsmen will call the night before to confirm your punch list. They text to confirm they're on the way. And when the work is done, we review your list to make sure that you are delighted. Just like Ace Hardware, we exist to help you. That's why we back our work with a 1-year guarantee. Know that we're not finished until you're delighted. Call us. Tell us what you need and when. Our team might just surprise you with solutions that exceed your expectations. If you like our hardware stores, you'll love us in your home. Give us a call. We think you'll like what you hear.